You often hear flippant claims that antivirus companies create viruses and other malware. Of course, they don't. Hi, I'm Tony Anscombe, a security evangelist at ESET. Having worked in the IT security industry for over 20 years, I think it's a good idea to explain some security fundamentals. Well, antivirus companies absolutely don't, and more importantly, don't need to create the viruses and other malware. The world is full of cyber criminals and spy agencies doing enough of that already. While many of us love a good conspiracy theory, this is one that just isn't true. Now, there are hundreds of antivirus companies, all of which compete with one another, and whose employees move continually around between them for career advancement. If any one of these companies created malware, then someone somewhere would spill the beans for competitive advantage so they would make more money themselves, or just as a responsible whistleblower. After all, wouldn't you? Then you have companies and people that test antivirus solutions. They collect malware and test it to see if the antivirus products block it. They would need to be part of the conspiracy too. We know the cybersecurity industry has never been more in demand than it is today. Hundreds of thousands are already employed and millions are likely to be. With so many notable global malware incidents, the cybersecurity industry is under continual scrutiny from journalists, independent testing organizations, companies, and individuals. A conspiracy theory involving tens of thousands or even hundreds of thousands of the industry's talented individuals is as likely as me being the next astronaut to walk on the moon. What's more, in 2005 there were just over 300,000 unique samples of malware. By 2007 this number was near 6 million, and that's according to AV-Test. Today that number stands at around 650 million. Now, if you really wanted to maximize profits and create need for your product, why would you make your work harder when all you really need is a few well-placed examples of malware, such as WannaCry or Petya? This sustainable approach would save a lot of resource and maximize profits. The reality, this cybersecurity industry is expanding at breakneck speed. We are witnessing a relentless digital transformation combined with an ever more complex threat landscape. Add to this changing and stringent compliance requirements, and it's no surprise that there are not enough experts to fill the job opportunities in the cybersecurity sector. Digital security has never been more needed than it is today. For more business tips and tricks, check out welivesecurity.com.